welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Please go watch my previous video for a little question and answer and get to know me. If you've already seen that video, I really hope you enjoyed it. It was so nerve-wracking doing my first video, but we're back again. And this time I'm gonna do a little like quarantine, what I'm doing to my face in quarantine. None of these products are sponsored. This is just what I'm using. Don't get me wrong, some of the products that I do mention I do stock in Mollywood because I truly do believe in them. Others are just so accessible. So you've probably seen on my story by now, hopefully, me using my brand new Lumis device. So that's literally what I do to cleanse my face. And I've just done it, so this is the glow from the Lumis bar. Don't get me wrong, I'm doing little treatments and pampers here, there, as and when I can with the face masks, but currently this is just post Lumis bar. So out of, like, I'd normally go get a shower, wash my face, and then probably get dressed and then go into the dressing room and start. So first of all, I'm going to go with the moisturiser. At the minute, I am loving the Estee Lauder, like this Estee Lauder moisturiser. You can get it in Debenhams, House of Fraser, anywhere like that online. Estee Lauder do have a website online. So literally just like a small amount in the palm of my hand. Warm it up in my hands first.
And then I'm literally just rubbing it everywhere. Making sure I get right up to my eyes. And bringing it slightly down my neck.
Right, after my moisturiser, I like to go in for an eye cream. I love the Formula Absolute. So every Christmas, my mum buys me the Marks & Spencer's Advent Calendar. Then this Christmas, I got the Advent Calendar again, tried all the products, and was like on about it to my mum and stuff, and so at Christmas she bought it me. So literally, I've still been using the samples that I got in the Christmas kit, so I've barely used any, and it's like April. And I use it daily, so it does a little bit, goes a really long way. So literally tiny little amount, and I use that on my ring fingers. And at first I just go
up under the eye, making sure I get those crow's feet, and then onto my lips and this line here. Any kind of like line that you want filling, because it really does plump out. And then back under this eye. And then again in this line. And on my lips.
So just because I like even more of a plump, I'm not gonna lie, this isn't the last stage of plumping, but the little plumping lip balm, this one is available in Mollywood. As you can see, I'm nearly all out. I really do need to buy a new one. It's just in it's in like a natural colour. It doesn't apply any colour. The lash serum. So I would recommend a lash serum to anybody and everybody. Literally, I had semi-permanent lashes on probably for the best part of last year. Took them off New Year's Day myself. I am a lash tech, however I didn't listen to my own advice. Pulled them out in a paddy, as you do, and literally had no lashes left. So since then I've been trying a few different lash serums, and I must admit this one has given me the quickest results. So I do stock this in Mollywood now. I did stock up a different one, and I have got rid of that stock now. It is a really good one still, don't get me wrong. A few of my clients still have it, and my clients' brows have had amazing results, but I personally, probably over the last like 3 or 4 weeks of quarantine, tried this one and I'm blown away by the results. So I did a lash lift, and I did a brow lamination, and I tinted my brows the other day. So literally the product comes on a mascara wand, just like that. Would brush up through my brows. This one really does help set your brows, set the hairs too. So I would use this as kind of like once I've had a brow lamination to keep them in place. So I brush up and then start going out as I get to the point, and it literally, you can see it just makes the brow look fuller, and all it is a serum, so it's conditioning, it's helping promote growth. And then the same thing on my lashes. So that is literally all I have been doing, like day to day. I literally have gone for the no makeup look. Well, it is no makeup. Hair literally just shoved up doing whatever it's doing. Normally it's got some sort of conditioner on it too. But if I have like ventured out a little bit, maybe like up to the shops, or I kind of would not typically go for a little bit more makeup. So again, just trying to keep it as natural and as fresh as possible. Going for something with like a little bit of tan in there, a little bit of like extra glow. This is another one that I do retail in Mollywood. So literally the tiniest amount, tiny amount. It is a non-drip formula, so it's literally not going to do any damage or anything. It's not going to smear, it's not going to go anywhere on clothes or anything. And then literally, like, can you see how glowy that is? Hey!
And then literally I've just dotted around my face. Just going to use my hands. You could also add this with a moisturiser, I guess. But this has got like a fake tan in there as well, so it's going to give me a little bit of a more permanent colour, well, semi-permanent colour. And yeah, you did hear right, fake tan, and I'm using my hands. Make sure you get down your neck because you don't want any nasty lines.
But hands clean completely. What you can see, I've got such a glow now, and I look a little bit brighter, a little bit browner. Literally just gives your skin that little bit of a boost rather than having to wear a foundation or anything like that. Really wouldn't be a Molly video if I didn't have my cup of tea. Okay, glowy skin using the Insta Glow. So next, if you know me, you've probably heard me talking about this amazing Hourglass mascara. So like I say, having given up lashes like last Christmas, well, the Christmas just gone, and having just like my own natural lashes, trying to grow them out and stuff like that, this has been a godsend. When I pulled my own lashes out in America in October as well. Honestly, I am like the worst client. Like, I am really sorry, guys. But the lovely guy in Sephora recommended this, and boy, was he right. So, oh my gosh, I'm going to try and do this on camera. Have you ever tried to do mascara on film? It's the bizarrest thing ever. Okay, so the brush itself, I don't know if you can see, has like one side really long and one side really short. So I tend to like to use the longer side. Just fills them out a little bit more. Ooh. See, we all make the mistake. Lengthens them a little bit. Okay, so because we're all about skincare, I am not trying to conceal any blemishes or anything I've got at the minute. Literally, bit of mascara just to open my eyes back up, and then as always, I said I wasn't done with my lips. My baby, literally, I have one of these everywhere.
There's one at the salon, there's one in my car, there's always one on my bedside table, there's one in the dressing room. Literally, I don't go anywhere without these.
I think there's one in each handbag as well, and there's a lot of handbags, man. So this is a clear gloss, but it's also a lip plumping gloss. So like I say, they're already fairly like big. Like, I haven't had filler for over a year, but well, over a year and a half, I'd probably say. So I literally just like to, there'll be no filler left in them now, so I just like to try and like get bigger lips without the filler. So literally, obviously the fact that it's a clear gloss helps because the light catches the lips, makes them look fuller. Obviously it has the product in there to help boost the lips, produce like all the blood to the surface, help them look fuller. And I must admit, I don't think they'd like be this full if I didn't use this all the time. I do think it does help maintain the fullness. So yeah, like I say, I drive somewhere with this on, I put it on over lipsticks. Because it's clear, you can do what you want with it. But I would say that's as far as my quarantine glam goes, guys. Okay guys, that is it. That is as glam as I get in quarantine. Honestly, if you're not making the most of looking after your skin, going makeup free, growing those lashes, growing that hair, pampering yourself to the high heavens, what are you doing with quarantine? Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want to know anything about any of the products that I've mentioned, please drop me a message. All the contact details are below. As always, it has been a pleasure and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it.